Okay, welcome guys. Once again. Let's continue with our project. So now let's try and add a save code to our application. So let's double click on this button. That's it. So let's give it let's change their names. Give this one btn add save. This is the variable name we are going to access in our code. Btn update, btn delete, btn cancel. And this should be test first name. I'll make it fn, tst last name, and I'll give this one j gender, tst number. Okay, so double click on the save. This is our save button. Okay, so what you're going to do is whatever the user enters here, you're going to take it, then set it into the database. Okay, so we need to create some variables. How many variables? 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so I'll take my string first name. What you do is you copy the variable name, Ctrl C, then paste, but get test to lowercase, to lower what's wrong? Don't get tests. Okay, let's copy this one. So let's try and change into the lowercase. Okay, first of all I'll trim it. I'll explain, just bear with me. Dot to lowercase. I'll just copy this one and paste 4 times. Okay, this will be last name, this will be gender, this will be number. Okay, make it 4. Here it should be n, here should be j gender, and okay, let's dot selected item dot to string. Oh, sorry, it should be get selected item dot to string. And here should be tst from tst number. Okay, so basically what you are doing is you create a variable called string, and in order to access any text field, any character here, you need to call it through the variable name. So there's a variable name, test first name, and this is it. And this function get test is getting the test in this field. Get it? And this string is just you remove any space. Yeah, you have to take care of that. You have to remove any space from it. And this lowercase, just turn the number to lowercase. So the same things to all this. And since this one was J, this one is combo, its functions are different. All these are function for strings. You get it? But this object is not a text field, is a combo, and combo, you select items. So that's why this is selected, and it's an object, so you need to convert a string. Same to phone number. Okay, this one lowercase note is not important because you are going to accept numbers. Okay, so now let's try and check for empty space. Make sure if these all are empty, we should not allow the users to enter. So let's do if name dot equals empty, or so I'll just copy this one, 2 and 3. Okay, I'll explain, so just bear with me. Okay, this will be L name, and this will be number, sorry, phone. And then also let's take care of the gender dot selected, sorry, dot equals to, sorry, equals to select. So come here, properties, select, sorry, select this first item, copy, then what you do, you paste it here. So what you are doing is this is just an if function, and if function just control, or statement is checking whether here is empty, here is empty, here is select. If here is select, you should select something. If here is empty, you should enter something before you can save one item. Get it? Okay, so now if this and this are empty, let's print out a message. I'm going to use J option. So J option pane dot show message. This will be this. Just print out some nice information. Complete fields. Or else okay, so let's try and create our SQL. But before, let's try and check and see if it's working. Okay, run. Okay, complete fields. So if you enter something here and you leave still complete field, but if you select this one, nothing happens. That means it's okay. Okay, so let's continue. So let's write our SQL statement. Insert into, this is our SQL. Sorry, this is a little bit, and we have persons. Get it, persons. So insert into person. The rows. So let's try and copy the rows one by one. Our first name, last name, we have gender, we have number. Since our ID is so think, but no need to think about it. Also values. So values. These are just some SQL statements. Bring note next line. So the first one is first name. I just copy this one. And in order to need to add some like this and add plus, then you paste it this one. So these are values, comma. So in order to pass in a variable, you need this apostrophe 2, 1, single quote and double quote. So after that you can just copy this one, paste, paste 4. Okay, just less name. This is gender, and this is our number. Copy and paste. So basically, make sure it corresponds. First name, this is first name. Last name, this is last name. Gender, this is gender. 4, this is 4. Hope you get it. So after your SQL, let's try and execute. Okay, with the same as the first one. Select should be yes. Site to come. So come for prepare statement. So in this you are saving, and we have the so ps dot set string. Get it? First one should be first name. Okay, let's copy all this. Paste, paste, paste. This is 1. This is 2. This is 3. This is 4. Name, gender, and this is from. You just copy and you paste. We're having some error. Let's see what are this error. So you need to surround with try and catch block. Okay, so this is just to prevent any crashing in the system. Okay, so after that you just say ps dot execute. Get it? And let's try to display some message. G option. You can just copy this G option, very simple. Paste. And you just say record save. Okay, let's save. And now let's try and explain this. What I do here is just to prevent user from entering empty space. And this is just an SQL statement we insert into persons, and these are the columns we are inserting into, and these are the values, whatever the user will enter. Then we are going to pass it through this SQL, this connection. And this prepare statement is going to prepare this SQL and pass it back to this prepare statement object. And this object, which is this prepare statement, is a class and have some of functions, set strings, and it has some parameters which contains maybe the first item, maybe the first item, and this vector is then linked to first name. So whatever is inside this is going to be saved here. first name, last name. So let's try and see if it's working. So let's run application and test. Okay. So let's try and see complete fields. Okay. My name is Suma, and then my name is G. My name. And this is my number. And let me save. Oh, we have some error here. Okay. Let's go back and read our error. Okay, in order to let's try and print a error in the get message. Okay. Okay, instead of using this, we will try and use G option. Okay. So there was a crash. Let's check our outputs. What was our output report? Okay. Oh. Let's try and copy the option pin and let's see the message again. See what error. Let's see what error give. Bigger character. Okay. Sure. Go cut it. Okay, so now let's run it again. Okay. Let's try and see what happens. Out of range parameter of index. Out of range number of parameters, which is 0. Okay. Okay. So. Okay, so let's try and see something here. Okay. So let me delete all this. And let's try once again and see. Okay. Okay. The reason why the problem was from me declaring here and also declaring here, that's why. Okay. So basically you have two ways of doing it. Sometimes here will be just question mark, and this one will come here and I did it together. So basically that's it. So let's try again. Okay, so let's try another one. Female, and this is number. Record save. Okay, now it's working. Let's fix something here. We want anytime this one record is saved, this table should be updated. It's very simple. Let's copy this show message and then paste it under the execute and the save record. Make this one. And let's run. Okay, so dear female, and this is the number. Save. Good. So basically this is just for save an item, and if you really like it, just leave a like button, subscribe for more. Okay, our next, we're going to talk about how to update the user. Thank you for watching.